Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to upload profile picture in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to upload a profile picture in Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, as I've already opened it. And after opening your Picsart app guys, on this interface you land over here, which is the home interface, and over here at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here on the profile interface of your Picsart account, where at the top left corner of the screen you can see the pen icon available for us just beside the back arrow. Tap on the pen icon at the top left corner of the screen, and you land over here. Now in order to change your profile or upload your profile picture in Picsart, you can see your person icon at the middle section of the screen over here, and there's a camera button at the middle where there is a person in a circle on the middle of the screen. Tap on the camera icon over here and tap on choose button over here. Now in order to upload your profile picture in Picsart, either you can upload it from your gallery or you can just take a picture from your camera. I'll be just uploading it from the gallery, and let's choose a photo over here. And with that being done guys, you'll be able to resize it. You can drag it, whatever you do, you can see it you want to. And after that, if you want to pinch it or maybe you want to zoom it, and after doing that guys, tap on the apply button at the bottom of the screen, and that will be uploaded as a profile picture in your Picsart account. And that being said guys, this is how to upload profile picture in Picsart account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.